The Garmin Dnsys Z1 Smart Buoy, the ultimate safety companion for underwater explorers. This high-tech surface marker uses sub-wave sonar technology to track up to 8 divers in real time, displaying their depth, tank pressure, and location with impressive accuracy. It enables seamless communication between divers and surface teams by allowing preset messages like "return to buoy" or "emergency" to be sent instantly. With a range of 100 meters underwater, 60 meters Wi-Fi on the surface, and a 15-hour battery life, it's built for long, demanding dive sessions. Whether you're on a solo dive or part of a team, the Dnsys Z1 brings next-level awareness and security to every underwater mission. The HiDock P1 is an innovative AI-powered voice recorder designed to work perfectly with Bluetooth earbuds, making it ideal for capturing meetings, interviews, and conversations on the go. Equipped with dual studio-grade microphones and advanced Blue Catch technology, it records crystal-clear audio from both sides of a call or room. With 64 gigabytes of storage and up to 8 hours of battery life, it supports over 75 languages and uses AI to provide instant transcriptions and summaries, helping you stay focused while it captures every important detail. Compact and user-friendly, the HiDock P1 is the ultimate tool for professionals and anyone needing reliable, hands-free voice recording and transcription anywhere. MagicLab's MagicDog W is a breakthrough wheeled quadruped robot designed for extreme agility and versatility in real-world environments. Equipped with 17 powerful motors and rugged 7-inch tires, it can easily climb stairs, conquer slopes up to 40 degrees, and overcome obstacles up to 60 centimeters high. With a payload capacity of 10 kilograms and up to 4 hours of battery life, this robot is built for demanding tasks across diverse terrains. Its advanced vision system enables precise obstacle detection and navigation, while a customizable SDK allows developers to tailor its capabilities for research, industry, and education. MagicDog W is redefining robotic mobility and paving the way for the future of autonomous machines. SiFly is setting a new standard in drone technology with its long-endurance electric drones designed for industrial and public safety use. Their flagship Q12 drone offers an impressive 2-hour hover time and up to 3 hours of forward flight, covering 90 miles while carrying a 10-pound payload. For heavier tasks, the Q250 model can transport up to 200 pounds for over an hour and a half. Both drones feature advanced aerodynamic designs, 5G connectivity, and real-time cloud integration, enabling autonomous operations and efficient data handling. Built to replace traditional helicopters in many roles, SiFly's drones deliver cost-effective, quiet, and highly capable solutions for everything from cargo delivery to emergency response. The InMotion V12S electric unicycle is a high-performance, cutting-edge personal vehicle perfect for urban commuters and thrill-seekers alike. Powered by a robust 2,500 watts motor with bursts up to 6,000 watts, it can reach speeds of up to 43.5 miles per hour and cover an impressive 75 miles on a single charge. Equipped with a 16-inch tubeless tire and advanced 90mm hydraulic suspension, it delivers a smooth and stable ride over varied terrain. Built to last, it features water-resistant design, a vibrant touchscreen display, Bluetooth speakers, customizable RGB lights, and an app for real-time control and updates. Combining power, comfort, and smart technology, the V12S redefines electric unicycling for both daily travel and adventure. Hugging Face has entered the robotics world with 2 revolutionary open-source humanoid robots, Reachy Mini and Hope Jr. Reachy Mini is a compact, desktop-sized bot built for learning and experimentation, featuring expressive eyes, head movement, microphones, and a speaker, all priced under $500. Meanwhile, Hope Jr. is a full-size humanoid robot with 66 degrees of freedom, capable of walking, grasping, and interacting in real-world environments for just $3,000. Both are fully programmable and open source, making advanced AI robotics accessible for developers, educators, and innovators around the world. Hugging Face is paving the way for a future where human-AI collaboration becomes part of everyday life. FlexiVol is revolutionizing the way we interact with digital content, offering an ultra-flexible, lightweight display that bends, folds, and even rolls up like paper without compromising on resolution or performance. This next-gen screen technology is poised to transform smartphones, tablets, wearables, and even automotive dashboards, allowing for dynamic shapes and designs that were once only possible in science fiction. Whether wrapped around your wrist as a smart band or unfurled into a full-size display, FlexiVol brings versatility and durability together, making it ideal for future devices that demand both portability and performance. With this kind of innovation, the future of screens isn't flat, it's fluid. The SeaNXT Elite, the world's most advanced underwater scooter designed for next-level marine exploration. Crafted from full carbon fiber, it's incredibly lightweight at just 22 kilograms, yet packs a powerful punch with dual motors, delivering speeds up to 21 kilometers an hour and thrust up to 700 Newton. Whether you're gliding in shark mode for high-speed thrills or cruising in eco mode for up to 80 minutes, this scooter adapts to your diving style. It features a bright 5.5-inch LCD display with built-in GPS and offline maps, so you're never lost underwater. Engineered on the French Riviera, it's the perfect blend of cutting-edge performance, sleek design, and smart navigation for serious ocean adventurers. The Dnsys Z1 Exoskeleton, a cutting-edge wearable device designed to revolutionize human mobility. Weighing just 680 grams per leg, this ultra-lightweight exoskeleton uses dual 900W motors and AI-powered adaptive control to enhance your leg strength by up to 50% while reducing pressure on your knees by 150 kilograms. Whether you're hiking, climbing, skiing, or walking, the Z1 instantly adjusts to your movement, terrain, and fatigue levels in milliseconds. With up to 5 hours of battery life, water-resistant durability, and a quick 15-second setup, the Dnsys Z1 isn't just a gadget, it's a game-changer in assistive technology, empowering adventurers, workers, and mobility seekers to go farther with less effort. The Volonaut Airbike, a real-life speeder bike that looks like it flew straight out of Star Wars. This futuristic flying machine uses jet-powered thrust instead of traditional propellers, giving riders a thrilling open-air experience with full 360-degree visibility. Designed by Thomas Patan, the mind behind Jetson 1, the Airbike is ultra-light, only about 30 to 40 kilogram, and can reach speeds of up to 200 km/h. With its sleek carbon fiber body and no cockpit enclosure, it's built for both speed and agility, making it perfect for flying through forests or narrow spaces. The Airbike has already completed successful, real-world test flights, proving it's not CGI. Expected to hit the market soon, it could redefine personal air mobility and bring sci-fi closer to reality. Bionic morphing wings are revolutionizing the future of aviation by mimicking the flight mechanics of birds. Unlike traditional fixed wings, these advanced wings can change shape mid-flight, bending, twisting, and extending to adapt to different flight conditions in real time. Inspired by nature and engineered with cutting-edge materials like stretchable carbon fiber and smart actuators, they reduce drag, improve lift, and boost fuel efficiency. In tests, morphing wings have shown up to 21% more lift and 12% better fuel savings, making them a game-changer for drones, military aircraft, and even future passenger planes. This is the next step towards smarter, more sustainable aviation. The Teledyne FLIR Black Hornet 4 is a next-generation military-grade nano-drone that's redefining battlefield intelligence. Weighing just 70 grams and small enough to fit in your hand, This stealthy micro-UAV can fly for over 30 minutes and transmit real-time, high-definition video and thermal imagery to soldiers on the ground, all while being virtually undetectable. With an extended range of up to 3 kilometers, resistance to wind and rain, and the ability to launch in under 20 seconds, the Black Hornet 4 provides unmatched situational awareness in GPS-denied or hostile environments. It's already in use by over 45 countries, showing how powerful technology can come in the smallest packages. The Spacetop G1, the world's first screenless augmented reality laptop, designed to revolutionize how we work and create on the go. Instead of a traditional display, this futuristic device projects a massive 100-inch virtual workspace right in front of your eyes using lightweight AR glasses. With powerful specs like a Snapdragon processor, 16 GB RAM, and 8 hours of battery life, it transforms any space, whether you're on a plane, in a cafe, or at home, into a next-gen digital workstation. Compact, sleek, and incredibly immersive, the Spacetop G1 is the future of portable computing, letting you carry an entire virtual desktop in your backpack. The Droid Imprints, a futuristic robotic concept that blends utility with emotion. These intelligent droids are designed to autonomously carry and manage your belongings, acting like a personal assistant with a personality. Whether you're navigating a bustling city or working on a complex task, Droid Imprints follow you effortlessly, learning your habits and preferences through advanced AI and spatial awareness. Their compact, sleek design and smooth mobility make them not just helpful, but also stylish. These next-gen companions redefine convenience, hinting at a future where smart robotics truly become a part of our everyday lives. The XiaoTun AJ03 Underwater Jetpack, a game-changing innovation for divers and ocean explorers. This compact backpack-style jetpack lets you glide effortlessly through water using dual electric jet modules that deliver up to 200 newtons of thrust. With speeds reaching 5.4 kilometers per hour and a dive depth of 20 meters, it transforms ordinary underwater experiences into thrilling adventures. Powered by a high-capacity 15,000 mAh battery, it offers up to 90 minutes of runtime and features both manual control and an AI cruise mode that responds to your body's movements. Whether you're filming marine life or just enjoying the freedom of hands-free propulsion, the XiaoTun Jetpack brings sci-fi dreams to life beneath the waves. The ZZZN Puffer Jacket, a futuristic wearable designed to let you sleep anytime, anywhere. This oversized jacket doubles as a portable sleep system, equipped with biometric sensors, built-in headphones, and smart lighting that simulates sunset to gently lull you into sleep. Whether you're on a train, in an office, or just need a quick nap on the go, it creates the perfect cozy environment. Its soft, thermally efficient padding keeps you warm, while the SockSeye Smart Ring and Companion app monitor your stress and sleep levels. First unveiled in Tokyo and set to make waves at Expo 2025 in Osaka, the ZZZN jacket is redefining how we rest in the modern world. The Aeke K1 Smart Gym, the future of home fitness packed into a sleek high-tech mirror. This all-in-one AI-powered personal trainer analyzes your body's flexibility, posture, strength, and cardio to deliver a fully customized workout just for you. With over 140 expert-led classes and more than 280 guided movements, it uses real-time motion tracking and AI to correct your form instantly. The built-in resistance system simulates up to 100 kilograms of dynamic weight using a powerful servo motor, all in just 0.3 square meters of space. Featuring a stunning 43-inch 4K touchscreen and immersive audio, the Aeke K1 turns your room into a personal gym, subscription-free.